Hi everybody, in this time I will introduce you a great application mining. It's called Bitcoin Hunter. Bitcoin Hunter is a free automatic mining application with international patent. If you install a wallet, the mobile phone automatically mines 0.01 each day and deposit into your wallet. You don't have to log in every day, and there is no need to keep pressing the mining button. You don't have to keep watching ads, only just install wallet and let the application mining for you every day. Bitcoin Hunter is an energy-saving, eco-friendly green coin through VC, which is currently appearing in other coins such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The problem of excessive mining electricity usage was identified and improved, and power consumption was dramatically lowered to the level of cell phone electricity usage. For free mining coins of other companies such as Picoin or Pi Network, it is troublesome to access the application every day. Press the mining button, mine every day, and watch advertisement. It is captivating users all over the world. With a system that automatically deposits 0.01 each by mining automatically, Bitcoin Hunter will be listed on the top 10 world global exchange with the target of $70,000 during June till August. Bitcoin Hunter can use the function of the mining, the sale, the withdrawal of the money, the shopping, the game, etc. with the cellular phone of the individual. And the good news is Bitcoin Hunter user can purchase everything from Samsung TV, Tesla, Hyundai cars in Bitcoin shopping mall with mined coins. I will show you in the later next. And then next we gonna learn how to install the application. Check it out. How to install the application is you go to your Play Store and then type Bitcoin Hunter here, and you will find this icon. Make sure this icon that you click, okay, and then install. You can see there are many positive comments here. Okay, after you click the installation, the screen will like this, and then click login, and then you can fill your email address here, your password here. After that, don't forget to click join membership, okay, and then you can fill again your email address here, your password here, and then retype your password, and then your username here. This is your country code number, and this is your call cell number, and this is the email of the person that recommended you to install this application. After you finish this all, you can click join membership, okay, and then voila, your Bitcoin Hunter application already installed on your cell phone, right? You see no mining button here, no ad here, and this is my Bitcoin Hunter coin every day, and this is dashboard of the user. This is for send the Bitcoin Hunter. This is our wallet, and you can also join the Telegram group here and the band group here. There's so many information you can get about Bitcoin Hunter in the Telegram group and band group, right? And then this what I said before in the first video about Bitcoin mall. Yeah, you can see you can buy a Tesla only for 2.3, the Mercedes 3.7, Apple, etc, etc, you can find here. Yep, that's all guys. It's a simple, right? This is a good application, and don't forget also you install the BitGold. Yeah, this is BitGold. The same step with the installation of Bitcoin Hunter. Yeah, you must have two of this application. This is a great application. Wait, okay, and then this is media social of the Bitcoin Hunter. You can see YouTube channel here. This is for the join Telegram group. This is for the Twitter, and then the band and the email of the Bitcoin group, right? And this is what I said, that Bitcoin Hunter and BitGold. Bitcoin Gold together with Bitcoin Hunter will be listed on the world's top 10 global exchange. Yeah, everything is the same as the Bitcoin Hunter and price target, and it is a derivative remittance wallet that you can send money anywhere, anytime, to anyone. And you know how much the target is? $70,000. Wow, it's a great, right? So what you waiting for? Hurry up to install it and enjoy it. Come raise our future together. Your beginning was feeble, but your end will be exceedingly great. Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.